Everyone, welcome back. My name is Madhura and I have Jyoti with me, and we are back with another reaction video. And this video, both of us are very excited by, right?
Yes.
Tell us more.
Nothing. It's just come from a comment which had many songs in the list, and this one caught my eye because I remember seeing this song in someone's Instagram story. And this was a long time ago. I mean, not recently, maybe a few months ago. Oh, and it's a Jan 2020 release, so it must have been like around the time lockdown started. And I remember hearing it and then clicking on it, and then the name registered in my mind, but I didn't like really get into it. I was like, fabulous song, it sounds like. And then I saw it in the comments, so let's get into the entire thing. It's called Ranjana in the Box, Mustafa Zayed and Yashal Shahid and Saad Sultan.
Okay.
So it's a conversation of two lovers talking about the purity and depth of their love.
Okay.
Love song.
It's new, so let's do this. Ready?
Let's do this, yeah. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, play. Produced by Saad Sultan.
इश्क दी रीत जुदाई दी चल जिस्म नू अज रिहाई दी तू जाने पर चुप क्यों है खुदा तेनू कसम खुदाई दी रांझना वे रांझना वे रांझना रांझना वे रांझना वे रांझना वे रांझना रांझना वे
I like her voice.
Yeah. I mean, that was just her voice.
Her voice. You know, I mean, because we are both radio programmers, you immediately start thinking of playlists, right? Like this song, interestingly, I could just imagine myself driving on, I mean, playing this song in my car on a late night drive. And I'm talking late night, like 11:30, 12 o'clock drives along the beach. And you're playing this and blasting this in your car. You know, that's the sense I got from the song, especially listening to this song.
Yeah.
And it would also make one of those soundtracks which is like this really heart-wrenching love story, and this is playing in the background, you know, because that's the feel I got from the song, you know, because interestingly it was conjuring images in my mind while I was listening to it. So yeah, her voice, definitely her voice.
It's, I feel like it's perfect for that nighttime drive, but I can listen to the song any time of the day. Oh my God, like goosebumps happened at so many points, but especially, yes, I mean, he's one of the, I was looking at the credits, he's one of the writers of the song, written by Anil Jindar and Mustafa Zayed. But there is, I mean, why have I never heard of her before? Freaking fantastic voice. It's just.
Is this her first song?
I don't know. I have to look it up. But if you know, please comment below and tell us. For me, I mean, he was brilliant, but her voice just somehow just.
I wish she had more lines to sing. You know, I wish she had more to sing. I wish she had an entire verse, because I wanted to listen more of her in the track.
Yeah, so, maybe they can add a verse for her in like live renditions of the song or something. But this was fantastic. So obviously now this In the Box is a series which is produced by Saad Sultan. So there must be other songs also, no?
But no, I did get a pop-up saying there is another song called Rahi, which is also from In the Box. So I am guessing that it is a franchise. I mean, I do like the fact that in the absence of a very strong, like how Bollywood churns out a lot of music consumed in India, it's not the case in Pakistan, right? Which is why they have a lot of these non-film music and bands. And there seem to be a lot of these collectives and, you know, these franchises coming. It was earlier, it used to be just Coke Studio, then it became Nescafe Basement, and now you have In the Box, you have Clash of
Sound Clash.
Then you had the Red Bull franchise as well.
You have the Battle of the Bands, which we still have to get to. A lot of comments telling us to react to that.
Yes.
So
many. And with all of these, I'm really very pleasantly, you know, I'm surprised. I shouldn't say pleasantly surprised. I'm very happy to discover a lot of these voices, very interesting voices and textures that we are able to, you know, discover thanks to these franchises, right? So, I mean, I'm a happy camper.
Yeah, me too. Loving it. Oh my God. So the comment that had this said that this is like the soul of our music, these songs, you know. So I'm guessing this is like a massive hit, and of course, if people are using it in their Instagram, I remember it was like the first few lines, and when he started singing, that bit was in this Instagram story that I'd seen, and I was just like, oh my God, what is this song? Like, as a programmer, you have that ear for like.
Correct. Your antennas go up. Yes, your antennas go up, and you're like,
I can play this. I know this is a hit. Like, you know. So I love it. Got to hear the entire thing, and oh my God, her voice! I just cannot. I have to say it again. If there's more stuff from her that we should listen to, please tell us. And thank you for recommending this.
You can like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.